Welcome back, fellow problem solvers. Mr Oosthuizen here, John East. Don't know about you, but I do enjoy driving in my combi. So what car do you like? If your car was decimal fractions, then shifting gears is adding and subtracting decimal fractions. Share, like and subscribe, and stay tuned. Today it's adding and subtracting decimal fractions. You'll be very quick to notice that it's the same as adding and subtracting whole numbers. So stay tuned. We just need to focus on one or two minor details more, like for instance where the comma is. We need to put those above each other. If we add or subtract, you will see with all four examples that's what I've done. Okay, let's look at the first example. 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. The comma, we just put it where it is. And 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. That's our first example done. Let's look at our second example. And over here you'll see there's no number over there. So just to help ourselves, I'm going to put a 0 right there and a 0 over there so that every possible position is filled with a number. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. We put the comma where it is. The 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. So we put the 0 there, but the other 1 we move over to the tens. So 1 plus 1 plus 0 is equal to 2. And 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. Now let's look at a few examples of subtracting fractions. Again, we're writing them below each other. We put in a 0 where needed. And now we're going to subtract. 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. 5 minus 2 is equal to 3. 4 minus 1 is equal to 3. We put the comma where it is. Then 3 minus 1 is equal to 2. That's how this cookie crumbles. Now the last one, definitely not the least, so pay careful attention. So 7 minus 0,061. We add the zeros right there just to make sense of it all. Now we ask a question. Okay, 0 minus 1. It can't, right? So what we need to do, we need to borrow 1 from the left. So we put the 1 there. But you can clearly see this 0 has nothing to give, right? Now it needs to borrow from the 1 to its left, right over there. But this 0 has nothing to give either. So it needs to borrow from the 7. And then by doing so, this 7 becomes a 6. Then this one becomes a 10. But remember, the one to the right, this one in the middle, borrowed from this one. So it can't stay a 10. So this will become a 9. And then the one on the far right borrowed from the center one. So it also changes into a 9. So now we've got a 10 minus 1 is equal to 9. Then we've got a 9 minus 6, and that is equal to 3. Then we've got a 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. Then we put the comma in there, and then 6 minus 0 is equal to 6. And this was a big one. If you got this one, well done, well done. I'm proud of you, and enjoy. All the best.